First, loosen up all the lug nuts, but don't take them off completely just yet. Then use leveling blocks like these Lynx levelers to build a pyramid and drive your good tire up onto it to create a gap underneath the flat tire, and you can finish removing the lug nuts and to remove the damaged tire. Once you have the flat tire off, you can go ahead and replace it with your spare, and then get your lug nuts on and tighten them down as tight as you can, but we're also going to double check them once we get it off the blocks. Once the new tire's on, go ahead and back it off the blocks and finish tightening them the rest of the way once the good tire's back on the ground. After you get them tightened up enough, that's it. Tires are placed and you're back on the road.